Hi, I'm Chris Long with Go Fish Digital, and welcome to another episode of 60 Second SEO. Today we're going to talk about how you can compare how competitors are changing their content over time. So this happens in a lot of different industries, especially with more informational articles. The affiliate industry is notorious for this. So here I am on an article from Tech Radar for the best DSLR cameras. They rank really well for best DSLR cameras. So what I can do is I can actually go back and look at previous versions of this page using the Wayback Machine. This example, I just went to May 6th and then pulled an old version of this article in May 6th of 2022. Then what we can do is we can run this content and then this content, the current page, through a text diff compare checker. And then the checker will actually analyze what content changes have been made over time. And we can use this to really start to get some insights on what content they're adding or even possibly removing. So here in this example, I can see in the old version of the article on the left, they don't really mention battery life, but here in this review, they mention battery life right here. Scroll down to a different one, and right here they have battery life in this review, but they don't have it in the old version. So now I can see a common section, a common piece of content they've started adding throughout this individual review in the new articles. So I can scroll further down to the bottom of the page content. I can see large sections of content they've added. Here they added a Who Stopped Making DSLR Cameras section. Scroll down a little bit further, and they have the best 10 DSLR cameras today that they've added in the new version that wasn't previously there in the old version. So you can use this tool to really get a database to view of what content changes competitors are making over time. Then you can start to see, hey, what content do they think is important? Do we need to start adding this type of content to our articles as well, based on the fact that they're performing so well in the search results? So use text diff compare checkers to really analyze competitor old content against competitor current content.